Hi everyone, this is a one-off video. I'm not going to be doing like gameplay videos on this channel, don't worry. But basically while I'm working on other Blender things, there's no harm in supplementing this channel with some extra videos. So for your viewing pleasure, here is a video of me, Ben and Azzy playing Peak. That new game, just like a spontaneous late night thing and one of the funniest things I've done in quite a while. So just for the fun of it, if you want to see what a bunch of Blender experts playing a game that involves climbing a hill looks like, that does require a certain amount of collaboration, then yeah, check it out. Here are some funny clips.
But every achievement in the game gives you a different cosmetic thing.
Oh, this feels like making memes. I love it.
Your little nerd eyes.
Oh, I got it like a school kid on his first day.
Who wants to try using the blowgun? You also have 3 inventory spots to...
Ben.
Yes.
Well, what did that do to him?
Oh my god, the triplanar mapping scenes.
We've got a solution for those.
Hex scatter.
And today's sponsor is Hexscatter. Pick it up now.
Yeah, I might eat my coconut half in a bit. Oh, you got a nice lollipop.
Sir. my lollipop got a...
Oh dear.
Actually, no, Curtis, this is yours. It would fit with your aesthetic so well.
I can lick it. Ooh, I'm hyperactive.
You get infinite stamina for a little bit after you lick it.
Where do we go?
That is ambitious.
I fell.
Oh no, first stumble.
I will not be telling you which foods are and aren't dangerous to eat, because that's part of the fun.
Oh dear.
So we might have to go down a little bit.
Ben, the way your character presents that Benton, like, this, I have this. Oh dear.
I've lost a little bit of health, but fortunately, our friend cushioned the fall.
Oh, nice. Thank you.
Gotcha.
There we go. How are you doing, Curtis?
Over half of my stamina bar is lost health. I've only got a tiny bit of hunger and a tiny bit of weight, so I am maximizing what I have left. Hold on, Ben.
To be honest.
Reach out for me.
Come on, Curtis.
Thank you. Take my hand. All right.
Thank you very much. Oh.
Thank you. Hello.
Oh, hello.
Yes.
I gotcha.
Nice.
Oh, my ankles.
Lunge.
Ugh.
I gotcha. Lunge for me, Ben.
Give me a moment.
Get your lunges in.
Oh, shit,
not
I've been
space,
pressing
yes.
space.
Space is to like jump off of the wall, but a lunge, you'll still be grabbing the wall. It's just like like that.
Oh.
I'm gonna give you the sports drink. You'll see it gives you sort of like a second
Oh.
bar underneath your stamina bar. That's over stamina. It is effectively stamina, but it doesn't like come back once you use it.
Would anyone like a cookie?
Okay.
like
Yes,
one.
please.
Oh, that was the last
Yum.
one. Sorry.
Oh.
I see. Sorry.
Tragic. I also have this.
Ooh, no! Oh, there we go.
As he'd be like,
Can
I also
anyone
have a
try it?
jetpack to get straight to the top of the mountain.
We also have a gun.
There's luggage. Ooh, bandages for you.
Yay.
More green crisp berries, but we know that these are poisonous.
What about the chilies?
You can try eating them.
No, what if I feed you?
No, not the green ones.
Ben, I have something for
Huh?
you.
Oh, I love those.
Yes. There you go.
Oh, lovely. Oh, I'm doing. Wow, that. Oh, my stomach hurts. Oh,
Oh, no.
I love bananas. Oh, I
Oh,
got
it's got a
banana
peel.
Yeah, after you eat bananas, you
No.
get the banana skin.
Whee!
Okay,
I don't know,
let's
there's
go.
something so, like, the flip animation, because it's physics-based, it feels kind of real for some reason.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's awesome. I love it. Oh, if you see
Sounds
these
good.
like bulbous things on the ground, be careful of those.
I'll just poke them with my pointer.
If you want to see what they do, you can get close. Yeah, they do, they do that.
I thought I was far enough away. I've made a mistake.
Uh oh. The poison's growing. Bit of
I'm
a
gonna pass out.
sidestep here.
Uh-oh, what do we
Remember
need to
me.
do? Oh no, oh no, oh no, oh no.
No.
Curtis, look.
if you fell down the
Would have been funny, but no, I planned that.
I'm back.
Hi, back in bed.
Welcome back. Oh,
Ben,
well,
this
oh,
way.
no,
Look at me, look at me, look at me.
I meant to lunge.
No.
I lost him.
No health loss. Just time.
God knows how that
Yeah,
happened.
even if you don't have stamina, you can still slide down the walls, but you will still take full damage if you hit the ground too fast while sliding. Oh, grab on. And we will have to deal with bees.
Golden berries.
Nice. Okay. If y'all want to get those, then I will try to deal with the bees. Curtis, did you do that, or?
I want to tell you why I was laughing. It was because when Ben said, "Oh, golden berries," his character goes running off with his arms out wide like he's some excited kid, and then all of a sudden he just explodes in like his poison.
Maybe we could climb these trees, honestly, and then like get up here,
Okay.
which is kind of a cursed route, but.
Oh my God, Ben.
You hungry, Curtis?
Go on.
Yes.
Only a tiny bit. Just give it to me. Let's see what happens.
Oh no!
Joel,
Press
did
left
you eat
click
it?
instead of right click? Yes, yes, I did.
Oh.
No, that's I'm
That's-
out of commission, Curtis. You go on ahead.
Oh God, that's really hurting you, isn't it? Oh, jeez.
Everything I do poisons me. Yeah.
No.
Oh,
No.
oh, no. No.
It's fine. I didn't take any damage. Oh, but the
Oh,
fog
okay.
is down here.
I couldn't see you when you dropped down.
Oh,
so
no,
I
the
didn't know if
fog.
You went down like 10 meters.
Oh my
or
God,
100.
that fog. We're gonna have to move.
Remember me.
Oh no! Something exploded and kicked me off. Now I'm down in the fog. I can't see anything. Where are they? Oh my God!
Goodbye. Rest well. Oh, hey Curtis, how's it going?
Yeah, that's how you can look at
Yeah, you
yourself.
can see your fashion.
Oh my God, I'm like some kind of
Also,
safari guy.
the like idle poses are randomized whenever you join. So we all have different idle poses.
Mine fits perfectly.
It does.
I'm gonna live forever.
Your idle pose is kind of just like
This is totally peak.
you have discovered the only joke anyone has ever made about this game.
Yeah.
This game is peak.
Ben, I now know how to tell which mushrooms are poisonous. Alright, can we start the campfire? I want to burn this so Ben can't see it.
I wonder what these mushrooms do. If only I had a helpful guy to tell me what was going on with them.
Okay, I had to get in a specific position for it to actually let me move along it.
This
Oh,
is like
no.
janky.
Oh,
Hold
no.
on.
Oh no! Oh no! Oh no!
Alright,
Like-
I am stable.
Grab me, grab
Look at
me,
me, look at me,
grab
look at me, look at me, look at me. It's not grabbing you, why?
It's I got it. It's because I had 0 stamina, so I was
Okay,
like
here we
not
go.
climbing. No,
Ben, yeah, climb.
No. His body. We lost one.
Oh no. Oh no.
Watching his body get launched
Ben.
like that was crazy.
Mr. Stark, I don't feel so good.
It was funny, but you were doing like a spinning cartwheel as you fell.
Yeah, we saw
Oh,
you
yeah.
fall, and then did you hit one of the launching things?
I don't think so, but I was spinning like a propeller.
Yeah, so I saw you fall, and then we didn't see you anymore, and then all of a sudden we saw your body again going like way more horizontal, like just spinning.
Being dead's not that bad, gotta tell you.
I do like that you can still like see your friends as a little ghost. It's really fun.
You've got like this cheeky little
I
smile
agree.
on you, Ben.
Ben's not here, so I don't have to worry about those getting blown up.
Can still obstruct your view.
Tell you what, that fall though, it just happened so quickly.
That
I
was
agree.
really funny.
So, what does it feel like to have full return? Oh my god!
He's back. He's back.
I'm back. That was very unpleasant. Okay.
Yeah. I
Watch
had
this.
that
You
last
ready? You ready? Watch. Whee! You can use it like a zip line if you ground it with enough speed.
Oh, this is janky. Oh.
Oh
Yes,
my
If you
god.
played the If you play the bugles for them, you get an achievement. They also have yellow winter berries for us.
Oh,
Aww. You're so kind.
Okay, this is a little bit jankier because you can't actually stand here. Here, I'm gonna lower some rope down for y'all that you can grab. Is that low enough? Or...
alright. I'm gonna wait for it to settle a bit. Yep. Hold
And
on.
then you have to climb up the rest of the way.
Yep.
Yeah.
It was a bit janky. I had to jump and climb at the same time at the end there. Yep.
Let's see what our mystical item is. Pandora's lunchbox.
Oh dear, don't open it.
Oh. Well, you all know what
Yes.
time it is? It's time for a cooked Pandora's lunchbox.
Oh god.
Am I okay doing this?
Go for it.
Okay.
You cannot feed it to other people. It basically changes your, like, stamina bar to have, like, completely random things. Oh, I went the wrong way.
Oh.
I ziplined.
Oh, what the? I died.
Probably physics jank.
Yeah, physics.
It's okay.
change.
I can bring you back to life. There you go.
Thank God I ended up here.
Yeah, and not down there.
Where's my marshmallow?
I got it for you.
Okay.
Oh, is it just me, or is the eruption, like, quarter eighth resolution?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I've got a lot of stuff in my back. Oh no, my backpack. It bugged out. I got it. Not the worst that could happen. That happens sometimes.
On my screen, it just looked like you threw it backwards over your head. I see.
Oh. Oh, that. Oh.
I sniped them.
To be honest, up the left
Yeah, pretty
looks
much.
pretty good. Oh yeah.
Oh,
Oh, Ben, Ben.
Ben. You good?
That was
Okay,
so.
good.
That was so tragic to watch.
Yeah, let's go over to Ben.
I'm perfectly fine.
Did he take any damage from that, or are you good?
Oh, a little bit. Nothing major.
Using a first aid kit.
No?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna wait and see how you do.
Oh, this is. Give me a moment. Oh, it was nice working with you.
No.
Did he fall?
I think so.
Ben.
We don't know until we see his ghost.
Oh shit! 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 Shit!
Oh, I got you. I got you.
No! 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 No!
Got you. Here, you have this.
Thank you. Oh, hold on to the bandages. I wonder where he is. I put one in there. Oh.
Oh. No, he's still alive.
Where
I
is
think
it
I
coming
saw
from?
him. I see him. Hey, Ben.
Oh. You're still alive?
Broken my ankles. My legs.
Hold on.
So much pain.
Ben.
Ben, we're gonna throw you a
Ben.
bandage. Get ready.
Ben, catch.
Thank you.
Wait, Ben,
I'll
I've
throw
got.
another.
I've
I'll throw
got.
another one.
Okay. I'm gonna try Ben. Hang on.
No, it landed. Let me get it.
Oh.
I'm not going down for that other one. Oh,
Right here. We're gonna trek onwards because of hunger. Hunger is the new
Go
fog.
on. If I make it, I make it. If I don't, you'll see me again.
You'll get an achievement if you get left behind, and we win, so...
Alright.
Alright, and then from here... I'm gonna go over
Hello.
here.
I'm back.
Oh my God.
Oh,
Hello. All right.
I'm
So
on fire.
yeah, you can get on that hot rock,
Oh,
and then
no.
Wow.
no, recover first.
Okay.
Right, yeah,
No,
get
the
stamina
heat's
back.
going up. I need to go now or never.
no, Ben, you can recover your stamina, like, down there.
Look at me. Look at me.
You know, the guy with the blow.
No.
Oh dear.
Do we wait for Ben, or...
I don't think he's gonna make it. Oh dear. Run! Oh, I think there's Ben. Ben,
Hello.
you actually made me cry laugh.
You know the legend of the guy who rolls up the boulder and then it falls down again?
Sisyphus.
Yeah.
You are the boulder.
Yeah. I got so close and then I just pushed myself too hard.
Oh, Ben, I'm sorry for your struggles.
No, I'm sorry too.
Ben, the thing that kills me is just the way you just like cartwheel down every time.
The falling is so funny.
It's just so fast as well. It's just like you're there, then you're not.
Okay, Curtis, this is gonna be really difficult. I'm thinking we use the negative rope right here.
Okay, yes.
I gotta use all of my remaining
Yeah,
negative rope.
Nah, I'm holding it, don't worry.
Thank you, Ben.
Whoa.
Okay, and then here we use the chain launcher.
Yes. Excellent. Oh, I don't think we would have made that.
And then maybe rope cannon here.
I can't even see the rope. My god.
Now we call in the helicopter.
Whee.
There it is. They've come to save us. Yeah. Also, you can like still talk in the mouse. Don't worry, that's funny.
Oh, but there's someone missing.
Hey. No.
Oh.
No.
Oh no.
You get to see all your new badges. Also, all the achievements you get go on like your sash as badges, which is really fun.
Oh, nice.
No.
That's so good.
Yeah.
Oh, an aviator hat.
I didn't even fall that much until the end.
Aw.
Yeah, you did really good.
I'm so sorry, Ben. Next.
No, it's okay.
Nice.
My hubris was punished.